Hi everyone, this video is about a sales job opportunity which is fully remote and you will not be required to commute anywhere. This is a very interesting opportunity and the profession is sales development representative and the company's name is VoloPay. So VoloPay is hiring for sales development representative roles and this is a totally remote job opportunity where you will be working from the comfort of your own home or anywhere. So it depends and they are not looking for much of the experience. Here they have mentioned if you have work experience of around 1 to 2 years in sales, you are good to go and you can apply for the job. So here is for India location and so this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for full-time remote job opportunity and they have some sort of sales experience and they must try this job. So here are the skills and qualifications that the company is looking for. And so, as I mentioned, that they are looking for someone with work experience of around 1 to 2 years in sales. You should have strong communication and collaboration skills, given this position will interact with diverse levels of business and global stakeholders. Strong communication skills. This is very important. And you should have keen interest in conducting research coupled with sensing new changes in market and evolving new strategies. You should have ability to build, nurture, grow a string of network of people and channels for lead generation. You should be a team player with a knack of adapting quickly, problem solving and multitasking. You should be commercially savvy with ability to exercise discretion with respect to dynamic. You should have information about the business. So if you have done B2B sales in the past, you will be preferred. And if you have done B2B sales in the past, like payroll, expense management, procurement software, you will be preferred and you should have hands-on experience with CRM software, drip campaigns and LinkedIn scrapping tools would be a plus. So these are not the mandatory requirements, but the candidates who have these experiences, they will be preferred. Now let's check out about the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a sales development representative at VoloPay. So as a sales development representative, you will be conducting market research to identify selling possibilities and building strong sales pipelines by scanning for business opportunity. You need to make outbound prospecting campaigns, emails, cold calling, social selling to generate leads on local companies. You will be setting up meetings to understand customer needs and concerns to gather key prospect information. You need to generate interest and bring in successful customers, often utilizing product demos and presentations. You need to provide management with reports on customers and sales. You need to prepare concise and accurate reviews with sales and financial data. You need to negotiate or close deals and handle complaints and objections. You need to have You should be collating inputs of client feedback and presenting them to team and management. You need to share your best practices and benefit from those of your colleagues. So that's it about the job description. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position of like sales development representative at VoloPay, you must check out the details yourself. And here is the application form. This is a simple application form, and the pay range is 30 to 35,000 per month. So here you can provide your name, then LinkedIn URL, and then email ID, phone number, and then what is your salary expectation. They have also asked what is your salary expectation. So depending on your work experience, you may ask for more salary, and can you communicate proficiently in English? So they have asked, will you be able to join us immediately? And do you have at least 1 year of experience in B2B SaaS sales? Anything else we should know? And then attach your resume here and then apply for the job. So that's it. This is a simple form. And this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for full-time remote job opportunity where you're not required to commute anywhere. And you can work from the comfort of your own home or anywhere. And this job is a very good job. They're not looking for much of the experience also. They're just asking for 1 to 2 years of sales experience. And so if you have that, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.